This winter has passed by so quickly. The howling wind swept everything away. There are bits and pieces scattered all over the ceramic petals. I should have been lying in the warm, humid air long ago, smiling and soaking up the sunshine. These delightful days, around at 2 or 3 in the morning. Returning home around 4 or 5 in the evening is quite something to look forward to. Back home, I was busy warming myself up and noticing something was missing. I turned around to grab a cup of hot milk with added ingredients, perfect for getting rid of the lingering winter chill. Ajiao, also known as donkey hide gelatin, is just what I need. It tastes sweet and has a neutral nature. It is recorded in the prescriptions for folk medicine that it is used to treat lower abdominal pain in men, insufficient yin qi, sore feet, and inability to walk. It is perfect for nourishing the liver and regulating qi and blood. If you drink it regularly, your complexion will be as moisturized as early spring. Spring bursts forth like a celebration, with one flower blooming here and a cluster of leaves popping up there. And at this time, the fruits are even more deadly. Tidy up and make the mini tart with leftover crust and use almond filling. The extra tart crust I made last time can be used today. Making a simple fruit tart at home has the flavor of spring and a sense of ritual for one person. Mixing almond flour, egg liquid, and butter creates the filling. And you can also pipe out some cookie shapes for a plate of crumbly cookies. Adding a bit of matcha powder gives it a different flavor. Besides the almond filling, Ajita sauce is also a great option. Add 250 milliliters of milk to a saucepan and heat it until it just starts to simmer. In a bowl, add powdered sugar and starch to the egg yolks and mix thoroughly until the mixture turns pale. Then, gradually add the warm milk. Pour it back into the pot. Simmer on low heat until it thickens. You must keep stirring constantly, because it thickens in an instant. Place it in a container and cover it with plastic wrap, then refrigerate for 2 hours. Take out the top crust from last time, press it slightly, and roll it out to a thickness of 0.5 centimeters. Use a mold to press out the shape. Firmly press the top crust against the mold. Poke some small holes in the bottom. Finally, place the special into the fairy tower. Put it in the oven at 175 degrees and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Once you take it out and let it cool, you can decorate it with your imagination.